I tried star 69 darkness.
We're gonna run it back. We're running it back. I'm getting my coffee and donuts. Coffee and donuts. Good to be back from vacation. We're back. Ugh.
I tried star 69 darkness. I tried star 69 darkness.
Man, this song's so good. Oh, you know what? I got my new headphones in somewhere. They're got to be somewhere around here. I need a reality show. We've talked about that already. It would be the most boring reality show. One of the most boring reality shows. Here's me sitting in my chair. Got some pencil necks today. We got a battle on the internet. Yeah. What do we order today? Yeah, cheeseburgers or pizza. We're getting pizza, you know. I want this to be more.
I tried star 69 diamonds.
Hang on. Oops. But huh. Interesting. It's kind of interesting.
I tried star 69 diamonds. I tried star 69 diamonds.
Right here, right here, right here, right here. Oh, it is going up. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. First off, I need to do a sound check. We gotta do a sound check first. Testing 1 2 1 2. One two testing. 1 2 testing. Huh. Alrighty. Okay. What was I doing? Alright, we were, let's take a look, see here. In February. Now. That's this February. Oh my lord, it's the same thing, just on a slightly different scale. makes me start all over again when I... My lordy. I think it's pretty close. I think it's pretty close. Now, what happened here? Yeah. Went up about 50%. And then back down. The scale's a little different, and so trying to see. Okay, so this part is this part. Yes. It even has the step. It even has the step right there. Wow. And it's the same face. I gotta figure out how to make this bigger. Well, what if I... Okay, we need to hang these up. Oh. Okay, what's going on here right now? What's going on right now? This does have some nice curvature. So how's everybody been? How's everybody doing? Okay, great. Good. Let's get back to the charts. Was it on this one? Which one did I do it on? This one? Okay, alright. Alrighty. Oops. Oh, that's where it's from, back here. Okay, is there? What's object tree? Okay, we're gonna have to wing it. Okay, we're gonna have to wing it. This is harder than I thought it would be. Fuck, I just want to... You guys get the point. All right, you know what? Screw the drawing part. That's what's... okay, we just need to... Yeah, I know, but I want to bar pattern. Use the bar pattern. Where the fuck is let's see here. Fuck is this? Oh. Okay. You guys better have some answers. Oh! Oh shit. Oh. It's going down. History doesn't repeat. Oh, Billy. Did you just say history doesn't repeat itself? Billy? That's what they want you to think. Okay, let's try this again. Let's do this. This is what we're gonna do. You know, here's the thing, is some of it, like, it can be, so what we gotta do, half, cut it in half, and then squish this. So we have to chop it in two. We have to chop it in two. Or just do a little... It's pretty close. I mean, you know, whatever. I don't think the Wyckoff part really matters. What really matters is just like the dump part. Like, have we seen this bottom formation before? And that's really what it is. Anyways. You know, we follow the money. That's always what rules. Not, oh, you guys know I'm going on around the blockchain tomorrow. Going on the Around the Blockchain show tomorrow. For a little debate, little discussion. Yeah. Hopefully we talk about some, hopefully it's good subjects tomorrow. Yes, Vishu Seroy. Alrighty, let's take a look, see here. What are we looking at here? What are we doing here? Yeah, I mean, let's go back to... Alrighty. When I was on vacation, I hit 2 or 3 trades. One was for 130, one was for 200, and I don't remember if I hit another one or if I did what it was for. But I know I made 2 solid trades in these ranges, man. These look at just these spider lines, and it's just textbook, just boom, 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 boom. Just the look, it's just with the right environment. If you're looking at, you got your momentum waves, your money flow, things going one direction. This has been good scalp trading, good scalping. Since I opened this one kind of like in the dead space, this kind of middle range, I don't want to go too ham. It's choppy. It's choppy on the smaller time frames. Oh man, boy, I tell you what. Oh, hang on 1 second. I'll be right back. Alright. What, man? What? I gave you treats? I know you just missed your daddy, huh? You just missed your papa. Did you just miss your daddy? I missed you too. I know. Yes, I know. Oh, I know. What's my average actually? 26, 32. Dude, not right now, Sid. Let me get you a bone. Let me get him a bone. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, what were we doing? Oh, yes. This is a trade-off like the hourlies, you know, the two. Money flow overall is coming up on the 3, 2, the 4. Little green dot here on our momentum wave shift. Also, money flow coming up. This, there is resistance. There is resistance, which is why I consider it a high risk entry, high risk trading. Previous green dots haven't worked out too well, you say? They look pretty good to me. This one went up. This one went up. This one, I mean, yeah, that went down. But I mean, that's what happens in sell-offs. Green dots don't mean the price goes up. It just means it's a temporary bottom, you know. Now, in the bull runs, yeah, we'd be using green dots. We'd be longing the shit out of it. Yeah, lower time frames looking choppy. We are against a, you know, I do believe we're, you know, it's not a, it's gonna be a fight. It's a fight. Lamau, this is bull run. Well, it depends on how you define the term, bro. Right now, no, it's not. According to my terms, we had a 54% dump. This is a bear run. This is a bear trend. Now, if we zoom out, we could say day one, this is a bull run forever. It depends on what, you know what I'm saying? I don't really care how you define it. I care about me. Listen, you should care more about being a profitable trader than a grammar pencil neck. You know what I'm saying? For all I care, I can call this a chipmunk rally. I can call it a langoustine. I made $350,000 half-ass trading on vacation in 4 or 5 days. What did you do? What did you do? Okay, we're on Bitcoin here. Also, for this little, how long has this been? That's it? No way. Wow. I mean, I guess technically longer, but well, I guess for the past like 2 weeks, really, it feels like, but I guess 8, 9 days, 10 days, week and a half, even longer though. I've really been looking at Bitcoin, charting Bitcoin in times where ETH is questionable because they both go up, they both go down at the same time right now. But the percentages are greater with Ethereum. So for example, like if we're about to hit a spider line on Bitcoin, I'll take profits on ETH and take profits on, you know, if I'm in a Bitcoin trade. But if Bitcoin stops right here, ETH will stop wherever it is. So that's another thing. You know, with the RSIs, when they get this high, especially if it's already gone up some, it tends to continue. It tends to continue. Look at the levels. That one stopped right there, but that continues. Let me make horizontal lines. That was toppy. Hit a nice hit a spider line right there. This one still went up to the spider line. This one kept going. So yeah, man. I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll just have to wait and see. How much is this? I feel like on average, oops. All right, there we go. I feel like on average, ETH has been doing like double what Bitcoin has. If Bitcoin goes up 2%, ETH went up 4%. If Bitcoin goes down 10%, ETH goes down 20%. So if Bitcoin moves up 1.5, well, that would put us right at this at this moving average. Now, taking a look at the daily. A few videos or streams ago, I don't know if it was a stream or a video or an interview or maybe both, we said we did not. If you're a bull, I tell you what, you tell me. Somebody look at this picture. I'll give you a hint. You might want to look around here. And what did we say you wanted it or it didn't want to happen? Oh, wait. Yeah. Made a lower low on the money flow. This puppy came down. The VWAP as of now looks like it might just be hooking down. So let's go to the 12-hour. Yikes! Now, in theory, could this be a bottom and it actually does go up from here? Yes. Yes, my boy. I missed you too. I missed you very much. It's time to give you some love. I talked to them and then I talked to you for a minute or two, huh? A minute or two of snuggies and floofy scratches. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, you let your ears speak. Oh, boy. Yeah. Oh, you miss Daddy scratching your ears. Oh, yeah. You miss Daddy scratching your ears, my little boy. I missed you. Huh. Alright, get out of here. Alright, scram. Scram. I love you with you. Sit down over here. Sit down over here. Alrighty, let's take a look-see here. Not right now. Oh, jeez. I know. See, I'm sorry. Oh, boy. Here we go. I'm being attacked. Well, I know. Come up with Papa. Yep. This is Papa's chair. This is Papa's chair. Just pop his chair. You're getting big, Sid. You're getting big. You're a snow doggy. You're becoming a big snow doggy. Yes, you are. All right, get out of here. Get out of here. Okay. So if we're looking for the daily, what's the 2-day showing? Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Well, we don't know. Man, if that curves out, we'll see. So if we're looking for this to pull up. And just because you know, when I was on vacation, I took some time to watch a few other YouTubers and a few other things people said. We're hearing oversold, you know, we're oversold, Bitcoin's oversold, and on the blockchain analytics. What do they call it when what's the word I'm looking for? On-chain analysis. Boy, is that the biggest bullshit I've ever heard. Now listen, listen. Now listen. I'm not saying that there isn't someone can't make good info out of it and, you know, make some trades or something. And, you know, listen. I'm not just talking about one person. I'm not talking about BitBoy. I'm not talking about whoever you're talking about. I'm talking about some of the most respected minds in this space. And I'm not talking shit about them. I'm just saying, you know, you have, when you, these, especially in this space with all these developers and smart nerds, they're gonna be digging for the littlest fucking thing to try to come up with some answer to make them to be smart and whatever. At the end of the day, you follow the money. Just follow the money. Unless, and I've seen these on-chain charts. I've seen them. I see them. And the people that are supposed to be the best analytical overtakers translating this data in order to tell you your clickbait title if we bought it or not. They say the same thing. They go, well, you know, it's interesting. The long holders are holding, but the miners are selling, and it's interesting. Yeah, it's interesting. We could be beginning. That could be maybe something happens. Hopefully. At the end of the day, I'll just follow the money. You know, here's what I want to know. How many, and there's probably a few out there, how many of these on-chain, these people that I see that try to translate on-chain analysis, they don't trade shit. They just been quote unquote holding. They don't even talk. You don't even know what they have. They don't trade shit. They don't trade shit. At least that they make us aware of. Now me, listen, I follow the money, and it's hard to say shit. Listen, it's the canary in the coal mine is an oily bird. Delete this one. I'm deleting this one. Okay, on chain. Would you rather have sold here, here, and here? Did your on-chain? Or are you blockchain? HODL. Look at that duck. We drew a duck. Okay, so anyways. So for this daily, so to keep an eye on this daily, right? We want to see his puppies. We really want to see his curving up. Listen, there's a momentum. Oh, this is a big ass fucking wave. Now so we go to the 12 hour. Let me do it. Thanks, Jason M. I'm trying to have a good time like everybody else. Okay, so if we want to see what potentially is happening in this time frame, we want to know what's going to be happening, what could be leading into, we go to the next smaller time frame. So we look at the 12 hour, right? That's just a lower low. And yes, technically, just like this one maybe could have been the bottom, hopefully, and it wasn't. Maybe this one could be the bottom, hopefully, and at least we got the closer momentum waves. That we got going for us. VWAP is coming down the 12 hour. That's not good. So let's. That's not telling us we're at a bottom right now. That's not giving us any confirmations of a bottom right now. Let's go to the 8 hour, see if that's giving us something. All right. Well, we do have a bunch of green dots here. Fat momentum wave. And we have technically our first trigger wave here. So that's all right. Money flow coming down to a lower low, but it is slightly moving up. Just like this one slightly moved up. To me, not confirmation that this is going to be the wave that fucking turns us to the bottom, to the top, to the fucking laser eye Twitters. All of the on-chain analytics are the ones that put laser eye Twitters like we were at 100K. Everyone was real fucking comfortable. Just like my brother said that one time on that live stream. We were in a trade. We were too relaxed. We were real comfy and cozy. Real comfy and cozy. They fucking laser eyed in the next fucking day. Excuse my French. I don't mean to curse. I sound like an asshole when I'm saying those F-bombs. But this was the red eye laser Twitter the very next day. It was David Hay. I'm not talking about anyone specifically. Willy Woo is a smart man, and he's successful. I'm not like I said. I'm not picking on anyone or hating on anything. In some, there's some. Well, how should I put this? All right, there we go, baby. Hey, we got a little hope here. We got a little something going on here. I just think like developers will always develop. You have to give, if you're making a video game or a software, you have to have deadlines. Because if you don't set a deadline, a developer will develop and develop and develop and just keep on going. You have to put your foot down. Exactly, or else it never gets done. And similarly, there is some blockchain on-chain. There's data analytics guys, and they're going to analyze. And so they're going to find their stuff. I'm not saying that no on-chain data isn't valuable. I'm just saying, for me, as a person that moves in and out, I am not a hodler. I am not someone who's gonna hold or want to hold an asset if I see that there is a very high probability of it taking a fucking nosedive. Why would I? And following the money, what's going on here, is all you need. It does so it does not matter what the block on chain says. The money wasn't there anymore. There was not enough money, and it's been decreasing and decreasing, and it'll diverge. It's got time to diverge. But man, once you start getting around, this has been confirmed. Once you start getting around this area, not even looking at the candle chart, it's going to break. And that's what it did. And it does that every single time. That's what my brother sold at 55. He even sold earlier. My brother even has a better exit average than me do. He fucking cashed out 55 because when we were in this dirty zone, it was time. He doesn't matter what the on-chain says. If the money ain't there, it ain't there. And if this continues to go either sideways or down, this can keep diverging. Price there might be enough money to yay, okay, we're up to 46. What do you mean I'm not actually longing? You see the charts, brother? Or you see the, I'm long. Urquan, yeah, I mean, I just had a good time chilling. Nothing crazy. Rishu, Raj, Kashyap, much love from India. CF, God bless you, brother. God bless you, man. Man, one day I will go to India, and I'm gonna be getting that curry. I can't wait to get real spicy India curry chicken. I can't wait to come get that India curry chicken. I love that. I love rice curry chicken. Spicy. This thing's doing all right. We got a little takeoff here. I knew I wanted to fucking enter in more, but it's easy to say now. If I'm in a $300,000 loss and I'm stuck in a stream for 8 hours, and I'm thinking different. Let's see here. And, you know, I literally just got back from vacation, but last time when I got back from vacation and 5 hours later I made a trade, it was record breaking, over $1 million. So I figured, why not, you know. It was a little risky. Signaled it to my people. It's the first trade in a good few weeks that I signaled to the Market Cipher Discord and Whale Crew. The way things have been looking and the way I've been trading, the way I've been seeing things, I've been making very solid, confident scalping trades. So I let my people know. Don't be surprised if there's if I'm firing off a couple barrels, you know what I'm saying? There is no Discord link, bro. No, it ain't some open public Discord for free. MarketCipherTrading.com. It's my indicator system. You get access to the Discord if you go there and buy it. That's how you get in. Damn it, it's going up. Fuck, I should have. Me like this. Man, these are two tight trigger waves, man. Those are two tighties. Oh man, it still hasn't budged. There's 43 minutes left. But it doesn't mean that it can keep going. It's a nice anchor trigger wave potential money flow here on the 6 hour. It's going up more, damn it. You know, she's been very up and down. I'm going to have to wait for it to come back down again. How much do I actually got left in here? Okay, I got 2 more mil I can pump in here. Whatever, I'm going to be happy. We're happy. 3 mils is a big trade on ETH. A little bit of Bitcoin. So, you know, whatever. Yes, my little boy. Okay, it's your turn. Now it's your turn. It's your turn for some attention. Yes, you're so big and floofy. Yes, you are. You're my little floofy boy. Yes. Do you like little doggy toys and squirrels and skunks and chipmunks and boons? You want another greenie? Let me get you a green. Alrighty. Recently bought MC with powers that took Wallet Stamp stream, definitely recommend it. Right on, WP Paint. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the crusade. This is for me. This ain't for you, little boy. Can I have something that you don't need to have one time? You. By the way, we have had a few really good compilation videos, fan-made videos, and a couple of them really good. Yeah. I'll check it in a little bit, okay, Vishu. Here's some chatter with Doge. Oh, good for Doge. Good for them. For them. Doge is the people, you know. Doge is the mob, and a lot of people are rising and falling with that one. I know, I missed you, buddy. I missed you very much. I know. I missed you. Oops. Give me that sock. That's my sock. That's my sock. Give me that sock. This is my sock. You know, I have to buy socks all the time because of you. What's going on with Cardano? 177, not bad. What's going on with Ripple? $1. Okay, let's look at Charlie Lee. Whoa. Look at that. Same thing. Beautiful tight trigger waves right there. Beautiful head and shoulders inverse on the momentum wave. Those have, and what do we say? Those play out pretty much every time. Someone asked me, I think before I went on vacation, there was like a 3-minute head and shoulders on the momentum wave. He's like, will it still play out, like, even though it's on there? And I think it did. I wonder if I can find it. Oh man, I'm gonna have to really go backwards. Whatever. I think it did play out anyways. What's up, Vicious? What's going on with oil? Baby. Yeah. How much are we up now? Gold. All right, let's take a look. See here. We got in gold at 17 something average, 17.13, and we've made 10%. You're hearing a lot of people getting quote-unquote bullish on gold now. I say they're late. We longed the bottom of gold. Everyone's saying gold's bullish now, and I think the same shit's gonna happen that happened before. And basically, it's yeah, we might get to 2K, but I don't think it's gonna break through. I hope it does. We'll see. I'm just seeing what it might look like and how long it would be for best hope for people that are wishing and hoping that this is at the bottom as of now. Do I read, and what are some good books that I recommend? Well, I have to be quite honest with you. Never been the biggest reader, but of the few books that I have read cover to cover, probably the best book I've ever read, the most informative that has prepared me for the path in life that I live and have chosen, is If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, and or If You Give a Moose a Muffin. And if you hadn't read those books, I'm sure you can get the audio version. Shit. Yeah, the Bible too. But that wasn't like a sit down one reading back to back. I mean, but yes, of course. Yes. The Bible. And If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, or If You Give a Moose a Muffin. AC on.
538 Dance Department. Live from ADE.
Okay. Son of a gun. Oh, man, I should have turned more. Jeez, every time I look away and turn back, it's up another $3. Oh, guys, look, it's a reverse backwards Wyckoff. It's an inversed, reversed Qui-Gon Wyckoff. Come on, it's still going up. Jeez. Oh. I want to add more. I want to add more. Beautiful curvature. Ooh, beautiful trigger waves there on the 4 minute.
Dance Department op Radio 538 live vanuit het 538 DJ Hotel. Met nu achter de ones and twos. Boris Breakout.
Grr! Ugh. Whatever. Okay, I throw another. Oh, I did a full mill. I thought I was. Oh, I didn't know I did a full mill. Thought I was doing half. Nice curve on that VWAP right there. My on-chain analytics.
You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. See the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. The market going up, the market going down. Keep on playing with my emotions. All I want is some more tokens. Hard for me to meditate cause I'm always in motion. So grateful for this knowledge and didn't have to go to college. I hope that you acknowledge I'll be all about the money flow. Looking for some crypto I can buy for the low, low. Market to set a stop loss, man, you slipping, that's a no-no. Working with this leverage got me all up in the bank vault. Put in all this work, you can't be mad, it ain't my fault. I've been smashing Rari, doing donuts on the asphalt. Anti-laser radar shield, nope, I will not get caught. Neighbors taking pictures when I pull up out the garage. 300K in bells and whistles, this is not a facade. Got the groupies going crazy, wanna slob on my knob. I can't teach you everything, no sir, that ain't my job. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Crypto face, alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Market going up and down just like a pogo. Scamming in my comments, then you probably are a bozo. Been real from the start, man, didn't you get the memo? Offshore accounts, but my bars are on tempo. Corners, I'ma bend them. Rari, high RPM them. Hands off the wheel, positive traction when I spin them. Trading is my specialty, nobody can really mess with me. When it comes to BTC, yep, I got the recipe. In and out carefully, fine tune my strategy. Technical analysis, my whale crew some savages. Hardly check my balances, they keep on going up. Big old dog named Sid, been a beast since a pup. Some of y'all call it luck, I call it divine intervention. When I'm pulling up, you can already see the engine. Game so cold, might as well you be see a the market going up. Up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. See the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto.
Said it before, I'll say it again. If you follow this channel, no one's got their thumb on the Bitcoin market like I do. No one does. And sometimes I've made some pretty long projections. Made 2 weeks in advance when we were up here, right on point. The Chinese squeeze, on point. The leaf saying we were going to get high, we got high. The toilet, the poop, the diarrhea, the specific poop. The original, the double scrotum.
It'd be 3 in the morning and the strait's still open. Never fall asleep or you'll wake up flopping groping. Your spirit shall be broken as they snatching up your tokens. The only way you're coping's with the weed you've been smoking. We're scalping like Indians, leveraging these millions. Trading in the dark so we looking like aliens. You know that I'll be gambling till I'm damn Blazarian. And the balls get hairier as the trades get scarier. And we do the Miley Coco when these ETFs approve. While we skirting on them pobos and all these little minnows, 50x and that's a no-no. Leverage like a fool, pretty soon you'll be a hobo. I got plenty of volume in my shorts. And when we hit that coke line, I got plenty of volume in my snorts. And if I ever go broke, I'll be flopping and groping in the Discord like popcorn. We are the disciples of crypto face, trying to find our calling in this crypto space as we navigate daily through these crypto trades. Long live the ace of spades. We are all disciples of crypto face, trying to find our calling in this crypto space as we navigate daily through these crypto trades. Long live the ace of spades. We are
I want us all to win.
Crypto face, trying to find our calling in this crypto space as we navigate daily
that
through these crypto trades.
I water this tree, as some have said. I also need to wet my feet.
You do have a relationship with this man. You've said it many times. We've seen it demonstrated.
Yes.
For whatever reason.
Yes.
Are you going to take an opportunity,
Right.
if you get it,
Right.
to speak up for the family of Kenneth Bay and to say, let us know why this man is being held, that this is wrong, that he is sick? If you can help Dennis, will you take the opportunity?
Well, it says, the one thing about politics, Kenneth Bay did one thing. If you understand, I got it. If you understand what Kenneth Bay did,
Yeah?
Do you understand what he did?
What did he do? You
in
tell
this
me.
country?
You tell me. What did he do?
And no, you tell me. You tell me. Why is he held captive?
They haven't
here in
released
this
any
country?
charges. They haven't
Why?
released. They haven't released any reason.
Let me do this. I would love to speak on this.
Go ahead.
You know. To speak on this.
Go ahead.
You know. You got. You know. You got. You know. You got 10 guys here. 10 guys here. They have left their families, left their damn families to help this country as is a sports venture. Got 10 guys, all these guys here. Do anyone understand that?
We do, and we appreciate that, and we wish them well with. We do, and we appreciate that, and we wish them well with cultural exchange.
No. I'm the same. No, I don't give a what the. I'm gonna ask what the hell you think. I'm saying to you, look at these guys here. Look at them.
Yeah, but Dennis, don't put it on them. Don't use them as an excuse for the behavior that you're putting. The behavior. Don't use them as an excuse. Don't put it on them. Don't use them as an. Don't use them as an. Don't use them as an excuse for the behavior that you're putting on yourself. You just basically were saying that Kenneth Bay did something wrong. We don't even know what the charges are. Don't use these guys as a shield for you, Dennis.
Listen.
Ain't no shield. I got it. Let me do this. Really? I'm gonna tell you one thing. People around the world, I'm gonna do one thing. You guy behind the mic right now, we are the guys here doing one thing. We have to go back to America and take the abuse. Do you have to take the abuse? Well, we gonna take. Do you, sir? Let me know. Are you gonna take the abuse? We're gonna get it. But guess what, though? One day, this door's gonna open.
All right, let's take a look. See here. Yeah, you know, I mean, if you're like, you know, in a, yeah, I would say obviously it's like take profit type area, but that's, for me, it's right, you know, I mean, yeah, sure, it's a good place to take profits, yes. But, that's not really what I want with this trade. Kind of want this to be a good foundation on a potential bigger move. Yeah. What's my entry now? 2646. I think this has legs. Not surprised. There's gonna be turbulence at these spider lines, no matter what they tell you. But I want this. I like this. I think we have some potential here. There's good momentum. I think we could see us break through it. I'm gambling. Then I'm a one lucky man. Please stop spamming the same messages and questions, guys. I hear you. People use stop losses because they're unsure of their positions. I'll use a stop loss if I'm going to bed or leaving, or if I'm in a trade I'm not confident in. If I was just shit, if I didn't have all my indicators, market cipher, fucking, if I didn't have what I have, I'd be using more stop losses probably too. I see more people lose money because of stop losses than it protecting them, and they are turned out better. That's just me. You know. When Binance's back end crashes, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a reason if you're not on a trusty exchange that can hold that shit up. It's a good one. Turbulence, might be a little turbulence here. We shall see. Another reason why, listen, it depends on the account you're on, whether you're scalping or you want to be in this trade for the long term. Let's say if I did take profits here and I want to add later, then it raises my entry, and I'm sorry, but 80 grand, 90 grand ain't wetting my beak for me. If you're new here, this ain't, I'd rather make nothing. I'd rather this trade go to zero. I'd rather walk away with 10 grand, chancing the opportunity of this breaking through and making a couple hundred, 200,000-300,000, than being safe and missing out on 200,000-300,000. That would piss me off. I mean, yeah, opportunity cost, exactly. Now that's my situation. It's not true greed. It's called opportunity cost. This coffee is disappearing. I just made a new cup and it's gone. Yeah. It's all, everything's a cup and handle. Yeah, like if this, let's see here. 1, 2, 6, 6. That looks like a good point that it could come down to, absolutely, but Like I said, I'd rather make nothing than miss out on making a bunch. You see the stream title? The stream title is catching a breakout, you know what I'm saying? I'm not sitting here flopping and groping over a couple bucks like all my lives. We're already in a handle. Listen, bruh, zoom out. The cup is in. We got our pinkies out and extended. This is a trade I would go to sleep on. I would sleep on this. And whatever it zigs and zags and pallywags, I would set stops. This is a trade, if I wasn't streaming, I'd go to sleep on, wake up tomorrow, and most likely I believe I would be in profit. Whoa. So, The last 2 times red money flows crossed into the green, which it has now. Just itty bitty. Well, it almost has confirmed. This candle just started, so this green actually needs to confirm with the candle close. But the previous ones have, look where they've ended up. This one, boom, in the green, that one up. This one, boom, in the green, boom, that one up. Okay, now this one, itty bitty touch in the green. If you walked a little bit, what is this? Went up 1.8 and then down 1%, but then bloop, came through into the green. She took off. This one. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this is a 4-hour. Is that what's going on right now? Golly. This is an Ethereum 4-hour. I mean, this wave. This is kind of like a big deal now. Like that, I kind of just fucking put things into perspective. I'm not. I mean, technically this can chop around, come back in the red, and even be worse or whatever. Let's see actually what has happened, what the waves have been after like these 50% drops. That was a big drop, but this wave happened and that shit went up. Not to its previous high, all-time high. Okay, where's a good 50%? What's this one? 13.7. Doesn't have any. What about this one? That's 622. Yeah, that's not 50%. That's 20. Oh, that's the one that struggled. It's 420. Is there, where's the fuck's all the 50% drops? Okay, this has to be 490. This wave was smaller. This little one, this one struggled. This one, I mean, went sideways, kangaroo. But we're going pretty deep here. Or are we? Damn, we're still in 2020. We'd have to go back on that, but either way, I'm thinking the probability is this this turns into something. So I'm shooting a shot. Alrighty, let's take a look. See here. Okay. Yeah. So let's look at Bitcoin. Boys, girls, we bottomed. Just kidding. But maybe not. We may have. It's a shot where maybe we could have. Far away from confirmation on the daily.
We're in heaven.
That's for sure. But hell, it's a shot.
You have to give it a try.
This looks the same. Now, when I say bottom, as I've been saying, because listen, there has to be a lot of money to come in, and if we're talking new all-time high, there's got to be money that comes in. But if we're talking bottom and maybe something, and who knows what happens after that? I don't know, man. We'll see. But listen. We're not going to get our little panties in too much of a big bunch. Let's see if we can get over this damn line first. That's it. I'm going all back in. you know, truth is with only 7 or 10 days of data, we could see pretty good reading on like if this money flow came up for 5 or 10 days like that would be a pretty good reading. If I'm saying if that would happen, it's about the time we in 7-10 days a lot can happen, and still have plenty of time, you know, if it did end up coming back up. That's the cool thing. That's the good thing about following the money. Not on chain and bullshit and whoop-de-whoop and poop-de-poop and hoop-de-hoop. For me. For me. I can only speak for myself. Hey, E.L. Friedman, you rock. Thank you. Why not take profits on the way up? Because this isn't, this to me is more swing type of trade territory. I'm not gonna nickel and dime and have a $10,000-$20,000 profit. To me, it's costing me more because I'll want to re-enter and it will up my average entry. So, you know, this is a swing setup. is the way I'm looking at it. If I want a nickel and dime, I'll trade on another account. But I want to, you know, it's my first day back from vacation. I've been gone for about a week, and I want to have a nice tasty one, you know. I want to have a good tasty one. Timeout for being a beta. Being a beta, no spine. Timeout beta, no spines. Yeah, if you, yeah, Andres, it happens 3 times a day, as long as you do it at the right time. If you enter the trade, technically a second before the fundings are paid, you can collect it and get right out the second after. On my own, Peter. I know, Sid. I'm a bad father. I know. God, I can only give you so many bones and treats. It just doesn't. It's just not like the love and attention. It just doesn't equate. Oh, it's just a band-aid. It's a temporary solution. Huh? It's just a temporary solution. Huh? Yes, it is. Yep, it's temporary. Huh? Huh? Yep. If you don't have a bone or a treat, if I don't give you a bone or I don't give you treats right now, I am being attacked. Okay. Alright, what now, man? What can I give you to leave me alone? Oh, man. Oh, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Alright, let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do. Alrighty. Alrighty. Okay, he was hungry. He ate a few hours ago, I bet. I just gave him some normal food and he ate it, so he was hungry. What is this? The 12-hour? That's a nice trigger wave on ETH. Little curvature on the V-wall. Yeah, let's do a little. It's been a little while since we busted out the old Fibby. The old Phoebe. It took 9 days. Huh, interesting. She is approaching. She's coming in hot, too. She's coming in hot. She's coming in smooth, curved, and in the gym. She be in the gym. She's coming in smooth, curved, and in the gym. Thank you, Reaper. Yo, ban these fucking spammers and shit, dude. Get the fuck out of here. People trying to spam us. I got a new cup of coffee, too. Do I look at the order books often? Sometimes. Depends on the situation. Only in certain situations. It's not something like on-chain data I sit there and flop and grope at over everything all the time. There's a time and a place. How much coffee do I drink on a daily basis? That's a good question. That's a good question. Yeah, when we sniped the bottom, that was just how the order book was acting, not depth charts. But yeah, that's how the exchange, how the actual order fight was going on. Go back to that part in the stream and watch it. You hear me talking. You hear me mumbling and saying what's going on and how I'm feeling. Go to that stream and watch it again and pick up and learn from it. That's how I learned. You know what I'm saying? Just don't overcomplicate shit. Just look what happened. Just look at what happened. You know? And when you see that type of shit going on again, then chances are, you know. Yeah, you can go back to the stream. It's on my channel. Not on this stream. The trade we're talking about was on another stream. Pretty sure is when I made 2 mil. Yeah. Go to the stream where I made 2 mil. No, not right now, dude. Not right now. Come on. Go. Fuck. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Cerberus. With a extra skin tag. Yeah, you know, I don't know when the time comes, I'll do something with my hair, but not yet. Not yet. I like my hair. This is a very interesting momentum wave on the 20-minute. You don't see this that often. Like a stair-stepped, like that. This is like a staircase. That's interesting. Man, it's kind of it might not be the, but a moment of truth. If this thing is really going to push through, if it's going to take a little time. Right when all right, I might have to leave for a little bit in about 20 or 30 minutes. And of course, that's when there starts to be right when we're coming to this damn thing. So, in about 20 or 30 minutes, I might have to bounce, no matter what's happening. No way would I ever leave a live stream unattended. You never know what can happen. No way, Jose. No. No. Wow. Look at these 3 trigger waves right there. Damn. We are bug-eyed creatures right now. I'm bug-eyed. I'm iguanid on all my screens. I can see all my screens at one time. Closely. What the fuck?
Gentlemen in the mix.
What's this? This started out with some potential. This could be really good or a huge letdown. Alright, we're gonna roll with it. I'm feeling it right now. My setup ain't nothing special. Okay, if we were dancing to this song, we'd look like those trailer park goth emo kids that are just like zombie swaying back and forth, like that one Simpsons scene. That's what we're doing to this song right now. We're gonna give it a chance. A 1 hour mix. I'm neutral on it. You know, there's like I said, it could be a huge fucking letdown. The main, whatever you call it, of the song has much potential. So far, we've heard stupid sounds. Hopefully, they bring it together. I do not take music requests. Don't bother. I feel like you're on shitty ecstasy. Oh my lordy. You win the best comment so far on the song. Feels like you're on shitty. It sucks. Feels like we're on shitty ecstasy. It's definitely, it's not underground. It's trailer park ground. There's like 26 people at this trailer park right out in the middle of nowhere, and your friend fucking, you found a flyer, you went off a flyer, you thought the flyer was cool, you found a flyer at some fucking shitty pizza place somewhere, and you and your friend decided to go, and you're at a fucking trailer park. It lacks direction. It's close, but it lacks direction. Like, just like a trailer park emo goth kid, it's like not going anywhere. Man, they have such a good foundation, and whoever's doing this is really just fucking up a good thing. He's got raw talent. This guy needs to like mentor someone or go to school. We changed it up. We're gonna give this a try.
Gentlemen in the mix.
We are at the spider line. Turbulence. Some turbulence is expected. This is much better. This is a good swinger party DJ right here. Sid, you're killing me, buddy. I know. Yes, your tail is so floofy. You're so floofy, and I missed you very much. You snap. All right. No. Okay, come on. Nope. All right. Jeez, Lord have mercy. Oh, what am I gonna do with you? Come on, Sid. All right, that's enough. That's enough. So that's enough. Come on, Sid. Please stop. Stop. You're making me the bad guy. Please, stop. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I know. God. You're driving me fucking crazy, Sid. Oh, this music sucks. Come back to this garbage. It's all garbage. Lord have mercy. Alright, folks. I'm gonna take my doggy for a walk, and I gotta go anyways, but my guess is I'll be back in a little bit, maybe. No guarantees. I'm on mute. Okay, good. So, yeah, good stream. Good to be back. Should be some fun times. Should be some fun times. Alright, see you guys.